Yo, what's good everyone? I'm Alex, and today we're gonna make a DIY RGB video light with parts from the dollar store. Now, there are already a ton of tutorials on YouTube about making your own DIY light, but this video was inspired by Daniel Sheffer's cake pan light. If you haven't seen this video, go check it out, it's pretty dope. But instead of a continuous white light, I'm trying to create an RGB accent light. Something where I can place behind me and splash it onto the walls or shine onto objects during B-roll. So I went to the dollar store and let me see, I spent $25 on pretty much these two items. And the first thing I bought instead of a cake pan is this stainless steel basket. So I think this strainer would make a pretty good base for this light, since the curve of it allows the light to bounce around, and it got these nice handles on the sides where I can clamp it onto my light stand or hang it even from the ceiling to make some really cool effects. And then my local dollar store also had these really cheap RGB strips. These were like $10. They're most definitely not the best quality, but I feel like for this kind of project, it's cheap and hopefully it works. Alright, let's get started and see how it turns out. So first we take the aluminum foil and then we line the bottom of the bowl with it. Even though the bowl's already reflective, the aluminum foil will definitely help bounce the light around even more. So when the bowl is completely lined, it looks something like this. I kept some of the aluminum foil sticking out so I could direct the light later on. Now we take our RGB strip and pay attention to which end the power connector is on, because we want to keep it out to connect it when we're done. Now you just peel away the sticky tape on the back and start lining the aluminum foil with the RGB strips. And remember that this doesn't have to be perfect because the light will just bounce around anyway and you won't see the individual strips. So now we connect the power and turn it on. I think it looks pretty good. I can control the brightness and change the colors with the remote. Here's some test footage I shot using this light. As usual, thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more. Peace.